Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually change your username in your Rumble. But before we start with our video, to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, let's go to our phone browser. Simply type in rumble.com. Go ahead and get logged in over here. I am already logged in this website. So what I will do is I will simply tap on this profile icon given, tap on it, go to this accounts option, and here you can see this all of the options will pop up where I can actually change my name, my location, and my codes and everything, but I cannot see the option called where I can change my username. Let me expand this. So you can see, even if I expand, I can see this menu. I can see everything: account overview, option verifications, but I do not have an option called change username. So apparently you cannot change your username according to Rumble itself. So instead, what you can do is tap on your create channel. So you can create a new channel, create a channel with a new name over there, or otherwise if you're really bothered by username, what you can do is simply just go ahead and create another account in your rumble.com. So yes guys, whoever is making a new account, please guys beware and make sure to rethink twice and add the desired username there. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I am sorry, but I still hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.